Thank you forward. Imagine you are this doctor, all day logged in your office. You are a doctor who has to manually type medical records of 30 to 40 patients a day, which may cause your burnout or medical errors. But it does not stop there. After your working hours, you get back home to your family and children, just so you can continue with writing your medical records, most of the time only from your memory. There might be some urgent situation, and you didn't have time during your working hours. Therefore, you are truly not being able to spend even your free time with your children. But don't worry, we got your back. E-Záznamník, our AI-powered tool, 3-in-1, will directly integrate into your ambulatory software, which will help you to save at least 2 hours a day of prep paperwork. For sure you are wondering, how does it work? Our AI tool will record conversations between doctor and the patient and immediately will transcribe conversation into raw text. AI will analyze raw text and will extract key medical data into selected medical schema. Also, AI will provide you smart suggestions about diagnosis, receipts, and potential contraindications of medicals. But most important, it complies with the GDPR and local healthcare regulations. So what will we achieve by applying our tool? First of all, we will relieve doctor from monotonous administration burden, about 30% less, more accurate and faster diagnosis, as well we will minimize possible medical errors. Also, there is possibility for higher income, since right now the doctor has much more time and is able to handle more patients during his working hours. So in the future, we are able to operate in a business-to-business SaaS model based on a monthly subscription per doctor. Currently, we are finalizing our MVP, which already contain functional AI transcription to Slovak language, and also ICD classification of disease. Our next goal is to team up with a provider of ambulatory softwares to ensure seamless integration. Also, next steps is to get better our AI and raise some investors. Together with my team, we are eager to bring AI to healthcare, but first of all, let's help our doctors. We owe it to them. Thank you.
Ďakujem pekne za prezentáciu a poďme na otázky a hodnotenia.
Môžem začať ja? Tak ste s tým posunuli od piatku celkom pekne, ale to ľudia tu nevedia. OK, ja mám jednu otázku. V čom je vaša umelá inteligencia lepšia ako tie ostatné, ktoré sú momentálne na trhu?
Well, first of all, the AI which are currently in tool, they are mostly focusing only on one functionality, which is speech to text. But we are also focusing, we take the raw text and try to analyze it and extract key medical data, which is the output is medical records into schema, which doctor will select according the type of patient visit. Yeah, also there is a possibility, as I mentioned, it can handle to some medical errors, and which will warn doctor. First of all, we need to say we are not trying to replace doctor. Doctor has always the last word. And also there is a quite good feature which is handling possible contraindications with other medicals.
I have a question for you that I think also goes in the same way as Martina's. So it's sort of twofold. One, how do you train your AI to be basically a virtual doctor? And secondly, what about the ethics? And how do you make sure that your AI is ethical? And how do you make it consider, for instance, different ethnicities and different type of people if the doctor maybe doesn't input already some data? Because this can really influence the diagnostic as well.
Yeah, first of all, we are just using some basic AI model. We have not yet tried to train it with this basic model of AI, where we have been still already quite, the results have been successful, so we have been pretty good with them. And sorry, your second question was how we are handling the situation about different types of people.
Ethics, different kinds of people, different ethnicities, handicaps, genders, and so on.
Yeah, well, we are trying to be compliant with GDPR, so and also local healthcare regulations. So also ISO. So we are trying to handle all these approval regulations. So this is something still we know we need to handle.
So then maybe this is a limitation to what the AI will be able to analyze. So of course, like you said, the doctor still has to do the work.
Yeah, exactly.
But what if doctors become lazy and just rely on it too much? How do you prevent something like this to happen?
Well, that's the point. We really need to train our AI so the accuracy will be really high. So and that's the point. It needs to warn him if there might be some problem, some medical error. So it should be like a tool for helping doctors that they may not notice some errors, some mistake, or there might be some missing, and the AI may figure out according to context of a medical record.
Thank you.
So, can I? Okay. So I have one business question. So how do you want to monetize it? So how are you going to make the money?
Well, we are trying to, as was already mentioned, we are trying to go to business SaaS model. First of all, we would like to try a monthly subscription per doctor. And therefore, we would also like to try to team up with with providers of healthcare softwares. There might be also some partnership with insurances. So there are still options, but first of all, the monthly subscription for doctor.
And what should be the price for a month for this tool?
About 80 hours per month, and but let's say there will be the different couple types
80,
of
80 euros. Yeah?
Sorry,
80 euros.
80
right?
euros. 80
okay.
euros.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have you tested it somewhere already?
Only in our team there is a doctor, so we have been discussing with him the results of our AI, and we make couple tests. Everything has been like we have been pretty fine with them. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
We have not yet we did not yet test it with any ex doctor from different employer.
Okay, thank you. That's it.
Ďakujeme za slovo. Chceli by sme sa spýtať z pohľadu lekára, ako praktičnosti daného teda startupu. Vyzerá to veľmi zaujímavo, mohlo by nám to pomôcť. Moja otázka znie, ako by sme ten prepis bude regulovať, predpokladám, lekár. Pokiaľ pacient bude mať nejaký záznam svojho hovoru plus lekár a potom lekár bude regulovať tie výstupy, alebo potom neviem si to celkom prakticky predstaviť. Ako to bude implementovať. Predstavte si lekára v ambulancii, na ktorého máme teda pacienta, máme tam 15 minút na ňo, ako to bude celé prebiehať.
Dobre, ja len predtým ešte uvediem, že toto je naozaj štrukturovaná súťaž, čiže odpovieme na tú otázku samozrejme, lebo však je legitímna, ale v každom prípade tu majú slovo porodcovia. Takže ďakujeme.
Pardon, prepáčte. Nevedeli sme, že je to v rámci, myslel som, že je to celková diskusia.
Yeah, of course, the doctor is always able to edit the outputs from AI. There will be also, first of all, there will be raw text available to see if everything is correct. And the data which will be filled in the medical record schema, he's always able to edit, adjust, always. So he's only there to, okay, everything is fine, I accept, there are no medical issues, fine. It's only to help him to speed up all the process, no monotonous administration, so yeah, and also prevent possible errors. That's the most important. Thank you.